Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about the latest Windows 11 24H2 update KB5053598, which was released on March 11, 2025. This update was designed to bring important security fixes, including a patch for a zero-day vulnerability known as CVE 2025-24983. While the intentions behind the update are solid, it's been a bit of rocky rollout for some users. So let's take a closer look at what's happening and how you can navigate these challenges. First off, it's important to acknowledge that this update was meant to address a critical security vulnerability that could allow attackers to escalate privileges locally. Security updates like this are essential for keeping our systems safe, and Microsoft deserves credit for addressing such issues promptly. However, as with any major update, there have been some hiccups along the way. One of the most common issues users are facing is difficulty installing the update. Some are encountering error codes like 800F993, which suggest issues with Windows Update components. Some other error codes indicates missing the file required for installation. The other one points to the file path of compatibility problems, and the error 4F211 often linked to activation issues post-update. Additionally, the update process sometimes freezes at various percentages like 6%, 20%, 38%, 98%, or even at 99%. After freezing, the system might restart and displays a message saying something didn't go as planned, and then roll back the update. A few users have been reported getting stuck in an installation loop where their system repeatedly tries to install the update, fails, and then tries again. It's frustrating, but there are ways to work around it. For those who manage to install the update, there have been some reports of stability issues. Some users have experienced the blue screen of death with errors like critical process died and kernel power failure. In rare cases, the update has caused systems to become unstable, with BIOS screen showing no bootable device found. While these issues are concerning, they don't seem to be affecting everyone, and there are steps you can take to mitigate the same. If you rely on remote desktop protocol, you might have noticed some connectivity issues after installing the update. Some users have reported frequent disconnections, with sessions dropping just after 4 to 10 minutes. This appears to be related to changes in UDP settings introduced by the update. Fortunately, there are workarounds such as disabling UDP in Group Policy Editor or adjusting the registry settings, which have helped some users regain stable connections. As of March 17, 2025, Microsoft hasn't officially acknowledged this issue on its Windows Release Health dashboard. The official support page for KB5053598 highlights the security improvements but doesn't mention any known bugs. While this silence can be frustrating, it's worth noting that Microsoft often works behind the scene to address the issues and release fixes. In the meantime, the community has stepped up with some helpful solutions. So if you are experiencing issues with KB5053598, here are some steps that you can take. The step number 1 is uninstall the update. If the update is causing the problems, you can remove it by going to settings under Windows Update, and then under update history you can uninstall the update by locating the KB5053598 and then uninstalling it. This should restore stability, though it does leave your system without the latest security patches. The next one is the RDP fix. For RDP disconnections, try disabling UDP in the Group Policy Editor or tweaking registry settings. This helped many users regain stable connections. The third one is pause updates. If you haven't installed the update yet, consider pushing updates or setting a metered connection until Microsoft releases fix. Always create a system backup or restore point before installing major updates, so this can save you a lot of trouble if something goes wrong. While the rollout of KB5053598 has been bumpy for some, it's important to remember that updates like this are part of ongoing effort to keep our system secure. Microsoft has a track record of addressing such issues and releasing fixes later, so it's likely that solutions are on the way. In the meantime, the community has come together to share workarounds and support each other, which is always great to see. So in conclusion, Windows 11 24H2 KB5053598 update is a reminder that even well-intentioned updates can have unintended consequences. While the security fixes are crucial, the installation and stability issues have been a challenge for some users. If you are affected, try the workaround or as discussed earlier, and keep an eye out for official fixes from Microsoft. Let's stay patient and hopeful that these issues will be resolved soon. Have you encountered any problems with this update, or you have found a solution that worked for you? Share your experiences in the comments below. I would love to hear from you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up and share it with others, and subscribe for more tech tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Take care and bye bye.